and I will talk to you what to do then. If I will see that you are just somehow waving, so then I will not stop boat. Okay?
Okay.
And also important during the trip, stay seated please. Enjoy your trip.
Thank
Wait
you.
also on 2 hikers. Yeah. So I will start also the tour that I will drop them off close to one farm in 10-15 minutes, and then I will just continue. So yeah.
Okay. Geiranger Fjord.
Geiranger Fjord, yeah.
There we go. So you see, you can combine both. You go hiking, and you choose one of the part, yeah?
Okay.
Or you can go hiking and come back with the boat.
Wonderful. And for you also, welcome on board. My name is Richard. Just at the beginning is the speed limit, 8 knots. So I will follow this speed and later I will go faster. Just for you, sir, be careful with your head because then it can fly away later when I will go faster. Okay? So I'll be there like in 10-15 minutes.
Wait a second. Can I change place? Because I want to film.
When I'm scared, I can grab you. It's good. And now finally I see something, you know? You can see something, otherwise it was like just like huge. Huge mountain. First of all, because yes, when you go in the water.
So upon contact.
If not, I think you have to pull somewhere here, right? They run to themselves. Okay. what was it that you're gonna do? These boats that come under the sea. Is it?
Ah,
When we explode, we don't have. Well, we go fishing with it.
good place here.
Yeah.
I think if I put the camera in the water, I'll take pictures of it. That's how to say it.
400 meters. My neighbor is like a big fish, you know, that you come up, you see the canyon inside. And so huge, when you go further up, it's like huge, and you jump there, and you can go, I have video, I'll show you. You fly over my house, here's that island. You look, you fly, you land in the house, you want the coffee. You also jump from that cliff there, the front one, yeah, we call it. It is a small parachute, which is connected with. So you have to hold and pull that out. If you don't pull, the guy dies now. Oh, fuck. Not it. Okay? You pull it, and fly it.
What, you have to get the parachute?
Yeah. So you have small one connected to the rope in place. So when you jump, you go small one open, and the pulling that one. Like for the short it up today. It's too short, so you give to me, and I have to pull it. When you open, I drop. I'll show you. This is a profile. You can
And to learn that you need some license or you just fucking do it?
professional. We want to jump somewhere there and we want to land in my boat. No, you don't get cold or something like that. No. Yeah, it's very good. Collect them. Put everything inside. We have a lunch there, but you see the over Costa Grande there. If you look the mountain trees down, what's happened 3 years ago, he damaged so many houses down. You can see the country there. There are videos, someone records of Congo. You see that course of the bus? Yeah, it's still there. Now we can
you're saying people climb up there and they jump from there?
No, they're not gonna jump.
They can't go too
4 hours to come back to Geiranger. Or maybe they will pick them up on the
And the rock fell on the Chinese. Okay.
gå i det.
Now you can take a full of ticket. Careful, step up and go.
Ja.
After it.
Skal du ta vesten, Tore?
Du har den på hele veien til.
Have a nice trip.
Yeah, you too, guys. You
Thank you.
You can leave it there.
Thanks.
Enjoy, guys.
Hi there. Have a nice hike.
You see, I will show you zip line here.
Yeah.
This for the dry grass. You see there?
Yeah,
This is going there. So the left yard is grass. And the Thanks for the sun.
Sorry?
Thanks for the sun.
Yeah. So welcome to Geiranger Fjord. I will tell you some information about the area. Yeah, because now you could see that I dropped off some hikers. So when you take a look here on your left side, up in the mountain, you can see their farm. It's called Geiranger Fjord. Do you see this farm? So they are coming up to this farm. This farm, and we will see also more on the way. These farms, they are from 1600s. Most of them, they are abandoned. Some of them, they are still occupied by Norwegian families. But these farms, they are not active anymore like in the past. In the past, they had everything what they could grow on their garden, some fruits, trees. They had animals like sheep, goats. They were close to the fjord, so they were doing fishing here. And in the forest, they were hunting animals. So in the time, they had everything what they needed for their life. This farm on the left side, it's quite popular here to visit. There's nice view to the fjord and Seven Sisters waterfall. And here are no roads, so the best way, somewhere also only way how to get there is by boat, and then you have to just hike up. The way is like zigzag in trees. Then you go to the left, to the right, and you will get there. Depends how you are fit. It will take at least 40 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. If you are from Norway, then it will take like 15 minutes. And,
fly up
the way is steep. In older days, this way was steeper than nowadays. Then the farmer from Geiranger Fjord, he had to use always the ladder, especially for taxman who was coming from Geiranger. So taxman came by boat, then he hiked up, but farmer was clever and sometimes didn't use the ladder. So then taxman couldn't get to the farm and take money. So then he came back to Geiranger without any money. And later they used dynamite for this mountain that they didn't have to use the ladder anymore. And from this farm you can hike up more to this mountain and walk to Geiranger, or you can come from the other side, but it will take few hours.
Okay.
Yeah,
From Homeland,
yeah, from Homlong.
How many hours?
Sorry?
I think how many hours? 3, 4.
Yeah, like 2, 3 also depends how fast you go, and you know. Yeah. And now in front of you we can see Geiranger waterfall. In English it's called the Suter. When I will be coming back, I will go also closer to this waterfall. Now I will continue with Seven Sisters waterfall. Also here on your right side, when you take a look, you can see another farm. It's called Nifsla. So this is neighbor. Geiranger.
Neighbor.
Yeah, it's good.
This one. I saw the family on parade now.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
nice.
amazing.
Yeah. Nice.
I used to live 10 years here.
Okay, okay. So you know the family. So we'll continue, okay?
Yeah.
We go now, man.
Yeah, we'll go
You
to
live
Seven
in
Sisters.
Geiranger?
Yeah.
We have 4 sisters.
And Seven Sisters waterfall, the highest fall is 300 meters, and the water is mainly from melting snow, and also raining is helping to this waterfall. So like best time to see it's the end of May, beginning June, and later because then snow is melting more. And when it's also like raining a lot of days, then you can see nice 7 waterfalls. So that's why it's called Seven Sisters. Usually there are 7, but today you can count like 5. There's also on the left a really small waterfall, so like 4 or 5 now.
Also, when Norwegians build a new boat, they like to come here to do baptize.
And now two sisters they are on holiday. Sometimes we see more than 7. There's also like 8, 9. So when I see it with tourists, then I'm telling them that you can see also stepsisters.
But do you know story about this guy and sisters?
Yeah.
Yes.
And on the other side, the suitor. And here is one legend with these 2 waterfalls here, with the suitor, with Friaren and 7 sisters. Here is one legend that the man is staring on one woman in front of him, and he couldn't help himself, but he fell in love with her immediately, and he proposed her. But the woman said no. But the woman had also sisters, and he fell in love with those sisters of the woman. And he proposed each the woman. Each woman said no. Then he was really unhappy. He started to drink alcohol. So then when we take a look on this waterfall, we can always imagine the shape of the bottle. There you see in the middle, there's a shape of the bottle.
And to buy a Geiranger brewery beer, you will find the beer with this shape.
Looks like a dick, but okay.
So we can imagine bottle.
Bottle sounds better, yeah.
You see this part here? 5 years ago, this fell down.
Waterfall for 7 Sisters.
now we are in the deepest area of Geiranger Fjord. It's around 250 meters deep here. And on your right side, direction to the right, this way we would go to open sea. And to the left, there's another village, Helleshill. So this car ferry, which we can see on the way, it's always coming between Geiranger and Helleshill. And here we can see also some farms. When you take a look here on your left side, down there, you can see their building. It's a farm. It's called Siltavika. There is still family owner, but they are not living here all year. They are using this farm now like a summer house. And in the past, they had only animals because most of the time during the day they were hidden from the sun, because the sun is always coming here from the morning to late evenings. And the farm has 2 floors. The first floor was for animals and the second for family. So during the winter they could put animals inside the first floor, and the heat from animals was going up, so they were warm like that during the winter. Also the smell was going up.
Floor heating.
Yeah, floor heating, yeah. And from this farm, when you take a look more up a bit to the left, you can see there another farm.
That's
Bloomberg.
Bloomberg,
Farm.
yeah. This farm is called Bloomberg Farm. The family left this farm after a Second World War, 1947, and they had children. They always had to help at the farm for 2 weeks, and then another 2 weeks they spent time in the school. But in the time depended on the wind, because they didn't have boats with engines, you know, like now we have. So when there was a wind from your left side, they went to the school to Helleshill. When there was a wind from your right side or from the west, then they went to the school to Geiranger. And they stayed there in the village in the school for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, they came back to the farm and helped the family with everything they needed. Then in front of you, at the mountain, you can see there are also some farms. Yeah. For example, there on the right side, it's a bit terrible to see from here, but this farm is called Matvika. And
they have fruits.
yeah, they had everything because during the day, you know, when the sun was shining, so then this farm was on perfect spot. They had everything what they needed. Also the mountain, like behind the farm, was like shelter for cold winds. Also, behind that mountain on the right side, we cannot see from here, but if I would drive here more straight, then we can see one mountain, Akerneset. Did somebody hear about this mountain? I think you, yes, right?
That's
But-
the one what's 15 centimeters moving.
Yeah. So this farm is mountain Akerneset is big danger here because it's slowly falling down to the water, and for sure in the future it will fall down. Just question is when. Nobody knows when. It can happen in 100 years, but it can happen also in a few years.
Yeah, experts say that excepting during the winter time when the water go in that scarf and the ice actually moving.
Yeah.
They have sensors and they
Yeah.
have 7 minutes to.
They have everything. They are monitoring this mountain so they can warn people in this area in advance. Because when it will fall down, it will be big landslide immediately to the water. So it will make here mega tsunami.
How many meters high, you know?
Like I heard like 20-30 meters, but also somebody told me like around 80 meters. Yeah, so it's something like
If
that.
you watch movie Wave, that's
Yeah.
about that mountain. You're gonna see.
Yeah.
You're gonna see me running front of the wave.
There is, it's film about that. wave.
We seasonals. We run on the Eagle Band.
Really?
On the movie, and the promotion of the movie is happening in the Field Center.
Yeah.
Hotel Union actually. We watch first on Norwegian and after that on English.
Yeah. In Norwegian it's called Polgen.
Yeah.
80
So,
meters. Fuck, it's
Yeah.
But that's deepest part of the fjord. Here it's 420. So imagine if the
Yeah, there in the fjord it's like around 400, 500 meters deep. So there's like more deep than here.
oh shit.
In of this fjord, here is the deepest point, and it's around 250. But on the right side, when you are going there, there is even more deeper.
we have 4 fjords even 1,000 meters deep.
Yeah. I think deepest point of in Norway of fjords, then it's like over 1 kilometer.
And there are life inside under the pressure. Like 10 years ago in Helleshill, one fisherman, he lost the net and he hooked with and pulled out like 500 kilos, looks like 500 kilos of mud, and that starts to move. They have to call Ocean Institute to see what is that. And it's like 500 kilos of mud that's
Oh
moving.
shit.
Yeah. So it's something. But living under the pressure now.
Yeah.
You never know.
So if
Swimming
orca
trolls.
comes, that's why I sitting here. Orca always coming from the right side.
So, do you have some questions or should I continue?
Yeah, continue.
Okay, okay. All good?
All good.
All good.
Perfect. Nice weather today.
Please, I need picture.
Yeah.
This team is good.
You are all together? Or
No,
No.
Oh, just you are alone, yeah?
Yeah.
But when you want to take a picture? Or
I need to just go.
Okay,
If
okay,
everybody
okay.
like, yeah. So.
Just wait a second, I'm over here. Yep.
So what do you guys say?
You want to go there or?
You go. Have you seen bikini girls?
Okay, like that.
No?
Yeah, you say something. Are you coming?
Yeah, you want to party with bikini girls.
Careful, some waves around.
It's fine. Okay, smile. Yeah, we have it. Good. Perfect. So I will continue, okay?
Okay.
Super. Barbecue stuff. So that is what you say. There's animals on the first floor.
You can see the farm looks quite nice because it's renovated. Yeah.
Nice.
So you want to live here? No. You rent this for the next season? Half hour?
I would.
No.
Then go to Geiranger.
You're outside. Here. Right here.
Monster. What species? What species was it? Like type of fish?
Geiranger is called marina. Geiranger. I have to look translation.
Incredible.
During the summer, you showering people here.
Yeah. Like when it's raining a lot, and during the summer when it's also nice weather, and also then it's really nice to get the splash from waterfall. Yeah, it's really nice life, really.
Yeah, I remember burning sun the past year because it's such air conditioning. You refill the bottle. Yeah, you buy 6 packs in the market, which is not cold. I put the rope, I put like 100 meters down, 100 meters out, and I'm cold.
Here on your right side, up in the mountain, you can see face.
Yes, look at that
see?
one.
Oh,
With the eyes, with the...
So like, it reminds me always of Voldemort from Harry Potter, you know? You can see like eyes without nose.
But
Or like-
this one has name, I forgot name.
I don't know the name.
Yeah, ask Camila, I think she
Yeah.
knows, yeah.
But name, you know, because like, I have one name.
Yeah,
Because from when I feel a tourist from USA, they are telling me that it looks like Donald Trump. So it can have name like Donald Trump.
Yes, yes.
better now.
Please, I need to go here. This picture.
Yeah, we'll go.
Similar in Dubai, yeah. Very green, huh?
Dubai every time hot. Not like, but it's good.
Now is it good in Dubai or no?
No,
No?
no, it's hot.
Okay. But
You
like
looking for house for street? You look for Dubai hotel on spot?
no, because there are some accidents, right?
Oh, the good. Yeah. Walking. Everything on now. Don't worry. Don't see.
Oh, Flam, okay, okay. Yeah.
Where is this flight? I come before here, I see flight. Where now?
Flight?
Yes, flight.
Ah, you mean yesterday?
Yes.
That the seaplane was going
Yes, it's where?
It was going away yesterday.
Ah, it's not coming?
No. Yesterday it was flying away.
This still big.
Wait a second, I will park.
Tomorrow I have to go out of the house.
Marito. Wait a second, I will add the boat.
Everybody do this. Thanks for the ride.
Thank you too. Did you enjoy?
Very much.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, perfect. Very nice.
Thank you. Use that rope, Marito. Good? So, how the boys say, you can carefully step up on the board.